Have a nice day and have a Nike day. Here's my unboxing of the Nike Air Max 97 ND. Hi there, MC here for Steel Falcons Gaming, back with another video. Today I'm unboxing another Air Max 97, and this one just has a very unique design and a nice colorway that I simply cannot pass it up. So let's cut to the chase and let's open this baby up. So I got this from The Athlete's Foot in BGC. This is the Nike Air Max 97. I got the men's size 9 US. The product number is BQ9130400. So all you get inside of the box are just the sneakers, just the Air Max 97s. No spare laces and no other extras. So this has a form factor of any other Air Max 97. The things that make this sneaker unique are the following. So first, you have a Nike Day written around the shoe, and then you have the smiley thing here. It's just a little bit unique. So instead of the usual smiley face icon, you get the Nike symbol on the mouth right there. Nice touch. Okay, so let's do the customary 360 view. So this is the view from the top, from the lateral side, medial side, from the back, and the sole. Like I said in the intro, this really has a nice, cool colorway, and there are several little touches on the sneaker that makes this very unique, and I simply had to pick it up. So with this shoe, I literally have a shoe that will greet me every time I look at it, and it will do the same thing to anyone else who looks down and checks out what shoes I'm wearing. So that's really, really nice. Pun intended. And that's my unboxing of the Nike Air Max 97 ND. Please click like and subscribe and tune in once again here in Steel Falcons Gaming. MC here, signing off. Peace and have a Nike day.